Get ready to revolutionize your aerial photography game. We've got the exclusive scoop on the latest drone to hit the market, the DJI Neo. With its impressive camera specs, advanced flight features, and affordable price point, this drone is about to change the game. Welcome back to your channel. Today we're diving into the details of the DJI Neo, the latest addition to the DJI family. With its impressive camera capabilities and advanced flight features, this drone is perfect for both beginners and pros. Whether you're a real estate photographer, a filmmaker, or just a hobbyist, the DJI Neo has something for everyone. Camera. The DJI Neo's camera is designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography. It features a 1/2 3-inch image sensor, which allows for crisp and clear images with excellent detail. The camera is paired with an 11 to 17 6mm /2.8 lens, offering a versatile focal range for capturing a variety of scenes from wide landscapes to closer shots. With the ability to shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, the Neo delivers high-resolution footage that's perfect for both professional and hobbyist use. Whether you're filming expansive vistas or fast-moving subjects, the camera ensures that your videos look sharp and vibrant. The 3-axis gimbal is another standout feature. It stabilizes the camera, reducing the impact of any vibrations or movements during flight. This results in smooth, professional-quality footage even in less than ideal flying conditions. Whether you're navigating through windy skies or making sharp turns, the gimbal keeps your shots steady and your footage impressive. In short, the DJI Neo's camera is a powerful tool that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it easier than ever to capture breathtaking aerial visuals. Flight performance. The DJI Neo excels in flight performance, making it a standout choice for capturing high-quality footage. It offers a maximum flight time of 18 minutes, which is ample for most filming needs. With a top speed of 16 meters per second, about 36 miles per hour, it allows for swift and dynamic shooting. The drone can reach altitudes of up to 120 meters, enabling you to capture wide-angle and elevated shots with ease. Safety and navigation are top priorities for the DJI Neo. It includes advanced obstacle avoidance technology, helping to prevent collisions with obstacles during flight. Additionally, the GPS navigation system ensures precise control and stability, providing a smooth and reliable flying experience. These features collectively enhance the drone's ability to perform in various environments from tight spaces to open landscapes. Overall, the DJI Neo's impressive flight capabilities and safety features make it a powerful tool for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. Features. Host. And then there are the features. The DJI Neo comes with AI-powered subject tracking, quick shot mode, and multiple control options. Whether you're tracking a moving subject, capturing a stunning sunset, or simply wanting to get that perfect shot, this drone's got you covered. The drone also features a built-in microphone, allowing for high-quality audio recording. Price. And the best part? The DJI Neo is expected to retail for around $329. That's an unbeatable price for a drone with these specs and features. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this drone offers incredible value for the price. There you have it, folks. The DJI Neo is a game changer in the world of aerial photography. With its impressive camera, advanced flight features, and affordable price point, this drone is a must-have for anyone looking to take their photography to new heights. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews. Remember to add visuals, animations, and transitions to make the video engaging and informative. You can also include comparisons with other drones, user testimonials, or hands-on footage to make the video more comprehensive. Good luck with your YouTube video.